Hey guys, it's Corey with Moti Vitality. Today I just want to do a walkthrough of our newest tool, the cost of sale calculator. It's, very valuable for managers and owners more so than salespeople, but it's a great tool. Basically, you come to moti-vitality.com. You have to be an MV member, so if you're not a member yet, you should do that. It comes with a ton of benefits, 10% off in the store, as well as all these awesome tools. So if you go to the member tools, exclusive tools for members, scroll down, it should be the last one in this first section. So it's cost of sale calculator. Click it, it will open. It's an Excel sheet, so you have to click enable editing, make that full screen. Once that's enabled, you can see the first thing that pops up here is the example. So here's what the master looks like right here. So it has options to put all your customers' names in here. Then you fill in everything in white. The only part you don't fill in are these gray areas because there's formulas and it automatically calculates percentages and that sort of thing. So in this, we'll just use the example here. So that this is totally made up, but customer name, customer one's Kelly Thompson. So let's say that a salesperson went to Kelly's house and sold him something. The total sale amount that he bought was $2,174.23. The date of the sale was the 1st of September. The first piece of equipment that he bought was a C filter, which is $244.19. So that's our cost, the cost of the company. Second piece of equipment that he bought was a chiller, which is $264, our cost. And he bought a hot tank, whatever that is, at $196.62, our cost. So he obviously spent more than that. This is the cost that it costs the company, okay? No additional material for him in particular, but on this example, customer 4, let's say they had a faucet, so you would just put that there. Sticking with Kelly here, so the total equipment and material cost for him is $704.81. Let's say there was 2 techs that went out to the house. So tech 1 spent 2.5 hours there. The cost for this particular tech, so it cost $75. So this part is customizable, and you will want to do it. If you have different techs that get paid differently or something like that, you can come in here and change that, or contact us. We can make a customizable version depending on what you need. This is kind of a generic one. So if you need something special, contact us. There might be a cost associated with it. We have to change a lot, or it might just be a simple formula change. Let's say the second tech, also 2 hours there, so that costs $55. So the total hours and labor is 4.5 to get his equipment set up. Total labor cost is $130. Only 1 visit. The salesperson got a commission of $326.13. So the total cost was $1,160.94. And the funds remaining are $1,013.29, which is a pretty good margin percentage of 46.60%. So everything is added up and gets tallied down at the bottom. So this is ideally 1 month out of the year. So in this total month, they helped 10 customers. Their average profit margin was 46%. $10,000 in profit, and it's all calculated down here. If you scroll down to the bottom, I always like to have a monthly stats section just so you can see it all laid out down here. So we put it down at the bottom. So it's basically the same information that's up there. It's just a little different view, so you can look at it a little differently. So one thing I like to highlight here is this is net sales. So this isn't the total net. This is just the gross revenue minus the sales commission, which in this particular month, $18,254. Operating income is minus the total expenses, so that gives you the $10,371. and then the margin's just the same as up there. So very similar to what's up here. It's just laid out a little differently. Like I said, this is the master. So if you were to download this and start using it, you would just copy this and paste over whatever, you know, your first month. And you can keep adding another month. So if I wanted to add October, it comes up as sheet 1. I just copy the master and paste it into here. So everything's the same. All the formulas are the same, and I would just call this October 2020. And you can just keep doing that. If you ever, you know, for whatever reason, mess up the formulas or anything like that, as long as you're still a member, you can always go back to moti-vitality.com and download this again. Or if you just want to do month by month, whatever it might be, you can always go download another one, or we can make a customizable one for you. So it's a pretty slick tool. It's helped out quite a few people so far, and it makes life a lot easier when it's organized like this. So like I said, feel free to come on here and download it. You have to be an MV member, so definitely look into that. There's a ton of benefits that come with it, but I hope this tool helps you. Thanks.